Good morning. I'm going to give you guys a tour of my garden, August 17th, 2023. It's really exciting to look back at these and see how far I've come, because what we started with was no garden, and then we took 20 by 16 foot square in our front yard, and we fenced it in, and my husband built me some raised beds, and so it's a big space considering what we had before this was nothing, but I just want to show you what you can do with a small space. Here we are.
Oh, hi, Bumbles! Morning, Bums!
I'm just gonna be real, there's always a mess around. Here we have a little 3 by 3 foot bed, and I got peppers in here. I've never been able to grow peppers because it's normally too cold, but I got King Arthur peppers and banana peppers. This is the tomato jungle. It's pretty crazy. I have about 15 or so plants in this bed, which is 3 by 8 feet long. This one is the same size. I got cucumbers. So I have, more than enough space. I actually shared with my neighbor. These are her pots. And then this squash and zucchini volunteered from last year. So I put this pallet here so that it wouldn't take over her garden bed.
The squash, no one planted it. I think it's just glue.
You're right.